Hey lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. I have another Sephora haul, and guys, this one is a big one. So guys, as you can see, I did some damage in store and I also did some damage online, and I'm sharing all of my fun new beauty and skincare things with you right now. Okay, so I know you guys have heard me talk to you about Beauty Bio, that brand. So unfortunately, I don't know why, but you can't find them in store. It's only online. So basically, I did some splurging on some new skincare items just because it's always about keeping that youth locked in, preventing that aging, everything like that. So, and also, you know, you want that hydrated skin as well. So I used to use Tula. That's what I was using for at least a couple of years. And honestly, I don't know if my skin just got used to it, what it was. I felt like it wasn't really keeping it hydrated, so I wanted to try different things out, along with also adding retinol into my nightly skincare routine to help with the fine lines and wrinkles. That as well dries you out, so I thought I might need something a little bit more intense. To begin with, my go-to morning moisturizer right now has been the Ultimate from Beauty Bio. This is Hydrating Hyper Vitamin Cream. It has a ton of vitamin C in there, which is great to help brighten the skin. This is the cute little jar that it comes in, and I might be a sucker because all their packaging is beautiful and it's rose gold, so it's right up my alley. But yeah, it's super easy. I love the dispenser. So all you do is you pop this off. I don't want to do it right now because I don't want to waste it, but you just push down on this little white top and it dispenses right out of that hole. So that is one of my biggest pet peeves, is jars of cream and dipping fingers into it, because it's even if you have clean washed hands, it's still bacteria on your fingers going into your good creams. So I love this little idea of how they have this for the dispenser. It's been working awesome. I really do love this. You can use it morning and night. I just prefer to use this one in the morning after I wash my face, just because I feel it's a little bit lighter weight. And like I said, the vitamin C really helps brighten your skin. I want to talk about a few retinol products now that I haven't tried yet, but I did order because I figured why not? I wanted to try them out because I've heard such great reviews on these. So I have the Beauty Bio. This is the R45, the reversal. This is a 3-step phase. As you can see, there's 3 different little jars in here. And basically it's phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and it just varies for the potency of retinol that's in each one. It's like a duo little thing here. Basically, one side of this says phase A, and it says the regeneration complex, and then phase B over here is the GFS serum. Not sure what that stands for. Maybe I should read the back of the box here. And then once you finish this little baby, you move on to bottle number 2. So I'll definitely keep you posted on my review of this, because again, if this thing works that well, then you're gonna wanna get it. With that being said, I mentioned retinol does dry your skin out. So if you have a tendency to be a little bit more on the dry side, then you're gonna need a very good moisturizer, especially your nighttime. So I ordered also a different moisturizer from them at the same time. They recommended this one to use with that R45 reversal. This is the Quench. This one now basically is a jar and it just twists off. And unfortunately, this one is more the cream is down in there. The only thing is that in here, it comes with that little spatula in there. So that's really nice because I just take that, dip it in, put it on my face, wash off the spatch, and then put it right back in here. I just thought I like this little thing because I just plop it right in there, and that way it keeps anything from getting on the spatula after I clean it. This moisturizer has been awesome. It is definitely more on the thicker side, so it definitely feels more hydrating. I'm actually putting on, it's not a mask, but it almost feels that thick and moisturizing, to where it's I don't really want to use this during the day to then apply makeup and stuff on. I just feel it'd be a little too thick, especially living in the climate that I do of Florida, where it's a little bit muggy, hit or miss even at Christmas time. But yeah, so I would say just to use this at night, but you can use it for both if you prefer. Okay, and one last retinol item from Beauty Bio. So you're probably like, girl, how much wrinkle creams are you using? But no, anyways, I want to use the R45 first, go through each 3 phases. So then basically I have this baby for after I get done with those. So this one is not as potent, but this one is the nightly. It is a modulin peptide filling serum. So it'll take me a little bit to get there, but I just wanted to show you what I have. If you don't want to even bother with that, if that seems a little too intense for your game, then maybe just try this baby out. But yeah, you just do 1 to 2 pumps of the serum every evening. And since it's a serum, it's a little bit more on the light side versus a actual cream. And moving on to the makeups. Okay guys, I did some damage because I was also Christmas shopping, and I think Santa did a little Christmas shopping for myself too. So anyways, one of the like awesome steals that I found at the store, these First Aid Beauty Repair Creams. So this is the Ultra Repair Cream, intense hydration, intense. And it honestly like lathers your skin, and it just makes them feel really smooth, and you don't need a lot because it's that intense. These were $15. This is the full big size bottle. It's originally a $40 bottle, and I got them for a steal at 15 bucks. Another steal that they have for one of their little gifting items is the Beauty Bio Gem Box. So guys, when I first saw this, I was like, oh, it's still $65. I didn't really know what was in it because I didn't really pay attention to it. This is the crown jewels. First of all, it's just really, really cute. It reminds me of Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Mine chain, huh? But anyways, you get 4 beauty blenders. You get 4 little beauty blender soapies. There we go. I was like, what do you call them? And then I think there might be like a hidden surprise inside. I haven't opened it up yet. But anyways, guys, a beauty blender by itself is 20 bucks. So, and then the soap is like 13, a single soap. So you get 4 of those babies. That's already $80 right there. So you're saving like, and you should be changing out your beauty blender probably every 3 months. If not before, depending on how much you actually frequently use it. And if you don't clean it every day, girl, you need to be cleaning your sponge every day, like after every use, because that shit gross. Here is what it looks like on the inside. So again, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 sponges, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4 little soapies in there. And they're fun because it's in like little gem shaped things. It's already used and loved. They're like my holy grail items right now. The Charlotte Tilbury, this is the Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. So it's just a translucent powder. And again, I know I've showed you this before when I first got it to try it. Look at this little compact, so sleek, so cute, rose gold, but then it's just a clear little powder. So I love to set in, I will do my foundation with the sponge, and then I will put on my Shape Tape concealer, and I do that with the sponge, and then I use this with just a baby little fluff brush, and I go in and I just set under my eyes and my nose, and it works amazingly. And then one of my favorite foundations is from NARS, and this is the Sheer Glow Foundation in shade Mont Blanc. I feel like the coverage of this looks beautiful on my skin. Very lightweight, so it's nice and buildable, and I just feel like this shade honestly has been the easiest, and I feel like it matches me the best. It works great in photos. I don't have flashback or anything like that, and it just is really nice. And another fave of mine that I love and I was out of is the Tarte mascara in Big Ego. So first of all, how cute is this little Christmas tree ornament? I just love it so much. But then I'm a sucker for the packaging. Again, guys, if you can see, it's a pink bottle, the gold cap, but then there's like sparkles up at the very tip top. So as soon as I'm done with my current one, I'm using Hello Big Ego. I did find a couple of eyeshadow palettes. I'm like, Laura, you don't need any more. I've talked to you about the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette, volume 1. I have that one already. That's the purple one. This baby is volume 2. Guys, when I say the pigmentation of these palettes, Oh my gosh, like you just need a little dabble on your brush and you're good. There's so many colors in this baby, and like I said, they are so vibrant, like they're beautiful. So as you can see, this is more along the blue shades in there. They have a pop of some pinks and orange and yellow in there too to do some like blending and playing. But oh my gosh, guys, I am just excited to do some fun, like kind of frosty, snowy looks for you guys, and I can't wait to use it. This one especially, OMG, like that is just giving me like Christmas snowflake vibes everywhere. And how cute is this little Too Faced gingerbread extra spicy palette? Okay, guys, first of all, I just am a sucker for all little holiday fun things, and this one smells like gingerbread. Look at those little gingerbread. Here are the colors. So they're definitely more of like your kind of like natural shades and like deepened dark browns and kind of like mauvey purples. It smells like gingerbread. This is the Glow Gasm wand in the shade Pink Gasm. So I've seen this being used on Instagram. I follow Charlotte Tilbury. I just think all of her makeup stuff always looks so pretty, and it's just flawless when she does her models. But anyways, they always use this for like a rosy little cheek. It's a liquid blush, I guess you would say. Basically, you squeeze this and this will fill up, this little sponge fills up with the like liquid blush, and then you just dab it there, and then you just blend it in with your fingers, or I guess if you want to use a brush, whatever. But anyways, I just feel like this is the perfect kind of like gasmy glow look that you can get. It's just like a nice little flushed pink color. And then also, guys, you're not going to be able to handle yourself. Look at what I found. How stinking fun is this little lash curler? So I love everything that sparkles. It's like bronzy rose gold rhinestones with white and just iridescent. It's just really fun in there. And then it also comes with a sampling of the Big Ego mascara. So that's a steal and would be a great stocking stuffer as well if you still are in need of things. So yeah, y'all, that was all my new finds from Sephora, from beauty and skincare. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my fun things that I bought, because I'm excited to use all of these now. If you're interested in any of these items, just head down below. I'll have them all linked there for you to shop. If you do decide to shop through those links, just know that I do get a small little commission from those sales, but it's so greatly appreciated, because that honestly, that commission helps me be able to get new things to then share with you again. So thank you if you do, and I just am glad that you're here for your support on my channel. So thank you so much, guys. If you liked the video, I would love it if you gave it a thumbs up. It's always so greatly appreciated. Don't forget to hit the button in the center to subscribe to the channel. The bell is down below. That way you're notified every time I upload a video, as well as those videos on the side. If you're interested in more style, beauty, or fitness, go ahead and watch those extras. And until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday season. I will see you then.